A very good morning to my dear students. Today we are going to continue with the further part of the lesson. And today we are going to learn the fourth type of construction of triangle, that is to construct a right angled triangle given the hypotenuse and one side. Means in this construction we will have a right angle triangle, and they are also going to give us the information about its hypotenuse and one side. So now what is right angle triangle? We have studied it in standard 6th, isn't it? So here, suppose if I am drawing one side, okay, and I am drawing one line to that at 90 degree using a protractor. So here whatever angle we get, it is right angle. So now did we get a right angle here? If I will join these two sides in this way, then am I getting a triangle? Yes. Now this triangle is called as right angled triangle because one angle in this triangle is right angle. Okay. So we can say triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Okay. Now next, what are they going to give us? They are going to give us the length of hypotenuse and one side. Yes. Now, what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the longest side. Okay. So, see here. This is a right angle. This side is opposite to right angle. That is, side AC is the side opposite to right angle. And thus, side AC is called as the hypotenuse. Yes, and always remember hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle. Did you understand what is hypotenuse? So the longest side or the side which is opposite to right angle is called as a hypotenuse. So they are going to give us hypotenuse measurement, and anyone from this AB or BC, anybody's length they are going to give us, and using that information we have to construct a triangle. Did you understand here? Now we will start with practice set 5, and when I will solve the sum I will explain you the construction. Construct triangle of the measures given below. In triangle MAN, measure angle MAN is equals to 90 degree. Length AN is equals to 8 centimeter. Length MN is equals to 10 centimeter. So students, see what they have given us, one right angle and lengths of two sides. Yeah. Now if it is 90 degree means this will be 90 degree means right angle triangle. Yes. So where we are having right angle at A. And now if you will see, they have given us one side, that is length AN is equals to 8 centimeter and length MN is equals to 10 centimeter. If this is right angle triangle, then 1 will be its hypotenuse. Yes, and I told you all hypotenuse is the longest side. So 8 or 10, which number is greater? 10 means this will be our hypotenuse and this will be our one side. Okay, so in this sum they have given us right angle measurement, that is 90 degree, one hypotenuse and one side. Okay. Now students, if you will see in practice set 3 question 4, then they have given us one angle 90 degree and these are the two sides. Yes. Now is this the fourth type of construction? No. Why? I will tell you. See, in triangle PRS, length RS is equals to 5.5 centimeter, length RP is equals to 4.2 centimeter, and measure angle R is equals to 90 degree. Means this is also right angle triangle. But here we are not going to use fourth type of construction. Why? See, if you will see, our angle is R and are both the sides RS and RP. Do they have R in them? Yes. So this angle is included by both this side. Yes. Means if this is RP, then this will be RS and R is coming here, no? So this is the angle 90 degree. So this angle is included by this both the sides. Means in this both the sides we are having the angle. Understood? So this is second type of construction. But here if you will see, A is the angle. A is present in one side. But here can you see A? No. This is MN and this is AN. A is not present here. That means this is fourth type of construction. Means this will be one will be a hypotenuse. So the longest side 8 centimeter or 10 centimeter? 10. So 10 is the longest side. So 10 will be a hypotenuse and this will be a side. Okay, now I will show you how to do the construction. So first let us draw a rough figure. So first we will construct the base side. Okay, so if this is hypotenuse, then this side is remaining, isn't it? So this side we will show as our base, that is AN is equals to 8 centimeter. Okay, so here suppose this is AN of length 8 centimeter. After showing AN, we will show angle, measure angle MAN. A is 90 degree. Means here we will have 90 degree. So suppose this is 90 degree. Then we will show A 90 degree. MN. Now M we don't have here. But do we have N? Means from here we will have 10 centimeter. Suppose this is 10 centimeter. Then this we are going to represent as 10 centimeter MN. So did you get an idea how our construction will be? Yes. So now see, first we will draw a side of length 8 centimeter. So here I will keep my scale properly and I will show 8 centimeter. This is 0 and here we have 8. Okay. So I have taken the measurement. I will just draw a segment now. Over. So this is AN 8 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to construct an angle of 90 degree from A. So I will keep my protractor on A in this way. Properly. Keep it properly. Now I will see this side 0, that is inside, and mark 90 degree. 90 degree is exactly in the center. So we got it. Remove the protractor and join the side points properly in this way. Done? Now we will represent this 90 degree in this way. Now we have to show 10 centimeter. So I will take scale here and I will take compass. Okay, and I will take 10 centimeter in my compass. So can you see here I have taken 10 centimeter? Exactly 10 centimeter. Okay, take exact measurement. I have taken 10. So 10 is MN. N we have na, M we don't have. So an N you will keep in this way and you will draw an arc on this right angle. Got? So now this distance will be 10 centimeter. Take the pencil and scale and join this properly. Suppose here is M and if you join you will get it in this way. And this 10 centimeter MN. Got? So here we have got an right angle triangle with hypotenuse and one side. So did you understand the construction? It's very easy and simple construction. So now I am solving question 4 for you all. See here. In triangle PQR, length PQ is equals to 4.5 cm and length PR is equals to 11.7 centimeter. Measure angle PQR is equals to 90 degree. Means this is a right angle triangle at angle Q. So Q you are having in this side, but here you don't have Q. So from this one will be the hypotenuse. What will be the hypotenuse? Length PR will be the hypotenuse because its measurement is greater than PQ. 4.5 centimeter and 11.7. In this 11.7 is the longest. Yes. So that will be a hypotenuse. So first we will construct the rough figure. Okay. So see here we will take PQ as our base. What is the measurement of PQ? Yes, it is 4 centimeter. Suppose this is 4 centimeter. I am drawing 4 centimeter. PQ 4.5 centimeter. Now from Q we need 90 degree. Means here we will have 90 degree. Yes, we will show it. Now bigger one is 11.7 PR. So it will be from here. That is, if you will join these 2 points, then this will be 11.7 centimeter PR. Did you get an idea how our construction will be? So now let us construct the main construction. So first what we are going to draw length PQ of how many centimeter? How much centimeter? Correct, 4.5. So here it is. See, are you able to see? So I'll keep the scale and I'll mark 0 and 4.5 and I'll join this. So I have here 4.5 cm PQ. Now I'll keep my protractor on Q in this way. So here I have adjusted my protractor. Now I'll see we want 90 degree. Yes or no? So this will be exactly in the center in this way. I have marked it. I'll remove my scale out. Now I'll draw the line joining these 2 points in this way. Little bit longer I'll take because other one is 11.7, isn't it? So it will be longer, no? So I have taken. So here I'll show 90 degree. Okay. Now I will take my scale and in compass I am going to take measurement 11.7. So here I have taken distance of 11.7 in my protractor. Now I will keep it on P because PR is 11.7. So I will keep on P and I will draw an arc on our 90 degree angles line. Okay, so here I have drawn an arc. So this distance, whatever we are going to join now, that will be 11.7. So here we have 11.7 centimeter PR. So we have got a triangle PQR, which is a right angle triangle. So I hope you have understood this type of construction. So today you are going to write in your CW this particular part. 4, write this, start practice set, and then you are going to solve or construct all 4 constructions. Okay.